Hi everyone, welcome back to iProp Fun. And today in True IKEA fashion, we're going to walk through how to install this Kallax shelving unit by IKEA. Instead of making it a fixed unit, we got Castor wheels to put under the shelf so that we can then roll around the shelf and make it a portable unit. So after setting up, you can put it in your living room, dining room, or family hall. I'll put the link in the description below. You can use my referral link. You get a shelf and I get a small commission from every sale that is made. That goes to help to support this channel.